Hi, in today's tutorial, we're going to show you a couple of ways to send a contract to your client. One of the first ways you can send a contract to your client if you need to make modifications is to go into your client's profile and on the left-hand panel, go ahead and select Contracts. Once you've selected Contracts, you can then hit Send Contract. This will bring up your templates. You can then select your session date and then hit Generate. Your contract will then be generated into this field here where you can simply highlight to delete something, or you can add a section as needed. When you're ready to send that, you can hit I agree and send, and that contract is sent to your client with any changes that you've had to make. You can also, under details of your client's profile, hit send email. If you have a contract already attached to an email, you can simply send it by sending send email, select your invoice template, and it can populate here. Once you've made your changes to your email, you can hit send and that contract is on its way. Another way you can send a contract is if you have an email template with the contract attached, you can also schedule a workflow. In that workflow, you can create a send the email, add that contract to that workflow, and have it scheduled whenever you're ready to send out. So the next time you book a session, and you add this workflow, it will automatically send out the contract. Another way, if you have our booking setup feature, you can create a new booking calendar, and in that calendar, you can now also require a contract. Once you've toggled on require contract and selected your template, you can hit save and continue. Now, when your client goes to book a session, they cannot move on until they have signed that contract.